Hey kitchen lovers! Welcome back to my channel, where we belong, obsessed with all things faucet. Today, we're going to find out about Grohe, a brand synonymous with quality and innovation. We will help you find the right faucet worry-free. They will be ranked today top 5 kitchen faucets, so you can find the perfect match for your cooking kingdom. If you are interested in buying this kitchen faucet, click here link in description below video. But before we begin, don't forget hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates related to the kitchen. So, let's begin. I will talk about that first, the Grohe 32,298,003 Zedra pulled-down kitchen faucet with triple function spray head has the sleek, contemporary look and innovative technology essential in today's home. This slim, single-hole faucet features a distinctively flared, ergonomic spray head to provide in-hand comfort when switching between 3 spray functions: regular stream for filling pots, shower spray for rinsing the sink or washing fruit, and a powerful blade spray to quickly clear food from plates. Thoughtfully engineered to handle every kitchen task, the Zedra kitchen faucet is as elegant as it is efficient. Grohe Zedra is the new name for Ladle XL2. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Grohe 32,298,003 Zedra pulled-down kitchen faucet. Pull-down kitchen faucet features triple function spray head with regular stream spray, powerful blade spray, plus pause to briefly stop water flow. Triple spray function, the Zedra boasts 3 spray modes for tackling various kitchen tasks: regular stream, spray mode, powerful blade spray. Magnetic docking system. On some models, the spray head automatically snaps back into place after use, ensuring a neat and tidy appearance. Drip-free, German-engineered kitchen faucet with quality ceramic disc valve to ensure leak-proof performance. Easy to install, fits single-hole sinks and countertops, with hoses included. Easy to clean, kitchen faucet sprayer features Grohe Speed Clean rubber nozzles to quickly wipe away limescale with your fingertip. Swivel convenience, faucet swivels 360 for island-friendly use and easy access to every corner of the kitchen sink. Single lever handle provides effortless control of both water flow and temperature with smooth transitions. Grohe Silk Move technology ensures precise and comfortable handle operation even after years of use. Easy operation and cleaning, the spray head features a lever for effortless switching between spray modes and a pull-down action for extended reach. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Grohe 32,298,003 Zedra pulled-down kitchen faucet. Pros: design and functionality, durability and quality, spray options, ease of use, additional features. Cons: installation, spray head height, limited finish options. Overall, the Grohe 32,298,003 Zedra pull-down kitchen faucet is a stylish and high-quality option with a range of convenient features. However, its higher price point and potential installation challenges might deter some buyers. Weighing the pros and cons against your budget and kitchen needs will help you decide if the Zedra is the right faucet for you. The next product is the Grohe 326,652,433 Conchetto Dual Spray Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is a single-handle faucet engineered for superior performance. Convenient pull-down, sprayer easily toggles between regular water flow and spray for maximum versatility. Meticulously crafted with a high swivel spout, this contemporary kitchen faucet makes it easy to fill large pots, access the entire sink, and complete kitchen tasks quickly. Sleek lever handle offers precise control of water pressure and temperature. Here are some specific features that make the Grohe 326,652,433 Conchetto pulled-down kitchen faucet. High spout with 360 swivel, offers ample clearance for filling large pots and pans, and provides flexibility for reaching all areas of your sink. Pull-down spray head with retractable hose, extends up to 8.75 inches for versatile cleaning and retracts smoothly for a tidy appearance. Grohe Speed Clean nozzles, limescale buildup is easily wiped away with your fingertip thanks to these rubber nozzles. Grohe Zero lead-free design. Inner waterways prevent water from coming into contact with any lead materials, ensuring safety for your family. Matte black finish adds a modern and stylish touch to your kitchen. Other finish options available. Drip-free, German-engineered kitchen faucet with quality ceramic disc valve to ensure leak-proof performance. Easy to install, fits single hole. Single-handle faucet features Grohe silk mauve for smooth, precise handle control and operation. Conserves water. Grohe EcoJoy technology allows for less water usage without sacrificing performance. Grohe 326,652,433 Conchetto pulled-down kitchen faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek and contemporary design, dual spray functionality, easy to use. Grohe silk mauve technology, drip-free performance, easy cleaning, zero lead-free design. Cons: spray head height, water flow rate, limited finish options. Overall, the Grohe 326,652,433 Conchetto pull-down kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional option with its dual spray, easy-to-use design, and leak-proof operation. However, the higher price and potential limitations in spray head reach and water flow rate might be factors to consider. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your budget, cleaning needs, sink depth, and preferred water pressure. Now there is another one. The Grohe 30,300,000 Minta is a sleek and modern single-handle, pull-out kitchen faucet with a variety of features that make it both stylish and functional. It has a dual-function spray head with a regular stream for filling pots and a spray for rinsing vegetables or cleaning the sink. The faucet also features Grohe silk mauve technology for smooth, precise handle control and Grohe Easy Dock technology for easy retraction and docking of the spray head. Here are some of the features and benefits of the Grohe 30,300,000 Minta pull-out kitchen faucet. Pull-out kitchen faucet features dual-function spray head with regular stream and spray. Optional touchless convenience, works with Grohe foot control model. 30,310,000, sold separately. Drip-free, German-engineered kitchen faucet with quality ceramic disc valve to ensure leak-proof performance. Easy to install, fits single-hole sinks and countertops with hoses included. Easy to clean, kitchen faucet sprayer features Grohe Speed Clean rubber nozzles to quickly wipe away limescale with your fingertip. Single-handle faucet features Grohe silk mauve for smooth, precise handle control and operation. Swivel convenience, faucet swivels 360 for island-friendly use and easy access to every corner of the kitchen sink. Durable finishes, Grohe Starlight coating maintains luster on brushed and polished finishes. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Pros: modern and elegant design, dual spray functionality, smooth and precise operation, durable and high quality, easy to use and clean, multiple finish options. Cons: price, spray head reach, magnetic docking optional. Overall, the Grohe 30,300,000 Minta pull-out kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional option with its dual spray, easy-to-use design, and leak-proof operation. However, the higher price, potential limitations in spray head reach and water flow rate, and optional magnetic docking might be factors to consider. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your budget, cleaning needs, sink depth, and preferred water pressure. Now let's talk about another, the Grohe 30,295,000 Essence new semi-pro single-handle dual spray kitchen faucet is a natural choice for today's cosmopolitan kitchen. This elegant single-hole kitchen faucet features a flexible, high-arched black hose spout with integrated spring to reach every corner of the sink. The dual-function spray head with toggle function offers seamless switching between spray and regular water flow. Equipped with a forward-rotating lever handle to eliminate backsplash interference, the Essence new single-handle kitchen faucet allows for easy placement in any kitchen design. Flexible hose spout is Available in multiple colors, sold separately, and easily snaps in place for a whole new look. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Grohe 30,295,000 Essence Semi-Pro Kitchen Faucet. Contemporary Semi-Pro Kitchen Faucet, single handle, single hole. Faucet give the contemporary kitchen a clean, professional look. Metal dual function spray head, toggle button to switch between a steady, stream, and spray. Colorful hose options. Flexible hose is available in an array of colors for a quick and easy kitchen update. C303-10, sold separately. Secure docking. When not in use, the spray head is held in place by the integrated docking arm. Drip-free performance, equipped with quality ceramic disc valve. Easy to clean. Kitchen faucet sprayer features Grohe Speed Clean rubber nozzles to quickly wipe away limescale with your fingertip. Single handle faucet features Grohe Silk Mauve for smooth, precise handle, control, and operation. Grohe 30,295,000 Essence Semi-Pro Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek and modern design, functional and versatile, durable and high-quality construction, easy to use, customization options, easy installation. Cons: limited finish options, flow rate, spray head retraction. Overall, the Grohe 30,295,000 Essence Semi-Pro Kitchen Faucet is a stylish and high-quality option with its functional design, durable construction, and customization potential. However, the higher price, potential limitations in spray head reach and finish options, and lower flow rate are factors to consider before making a purchase. Here is last product, the Grohe 30,306,001 Eurosmart Single-Handle Dual Spray Kitchen Faucet with pull-out spray head offers the style, dependability, and performance you expect from Grohe. Gently contoured handle and pull-out spray head provide a comfortable, ergonomic grip to make every task at the kitchen sink easier. Arched spout leaves ample room for filling pots and makes rinsing every corner of the sink easy. Toggle button on dual. Sprayer delivers a steady stream of water for washing dishes or a gentle spray for rinsing fruits and vegetables. Equipped with exclusive Grohe features, the Eurosmart Kitchen Faucet ensures exceptional ease of use and lasting beauty. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Grohe 30,306,001 Eurosmart Dual Spray Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Pull-out faucet, dual sprayer features wide, rinsing spray and regular stream. Drip-free, German-engineered kitchen faucet with quality ceramic disc valve to ensure leak-proof performance. Easy to install, fits single-hole, 2-hole or 3-hole sinks and countertops. Easy to clean, kitchen faucet sprayer features Grohe Speed Clean rubber nozzles to quickly wipe away limescale with your fingertip. Single-handle faucet features Grohe Silk Mauve for smooth, precise handle, control, and operation. Swivel convenience, faucet swivels 90 for easy access to every corner of the kitchen sink. Durable finishes, Grohe Starlight Coating maintains luster on brushed and polished finishes. Grohe 30,306,001 Eurosmart Dual Spray Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: modern and functional design, dual spray functionality, durable and high quality, easy to use. Grohe Speed Clean technology, easy installation, durable starlight chrome finish. Cons: spray head height, limited color options, optional pot filling spout. Overall, the Grohe 30,306,001 Eurosmart Dual Spray Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet is a stylish, functional, and durable option for many kitchens. Its ease of use, clean design, construction make it a compelling choice. However, the price, potential limitations in spray head reach and flow rate, limited color options, and requirement to purchase the pot filling spout separately are factors to consider. And there you have it, our top 5 Grohe kitchen faucets. Grohe 322980003 Zedra, Grohe 326,652,433 Conchetto, Grohe 30,300,000 Minta, Grohe 30,295,000 Essence Semi-Pro, and Grohe 30,306,001 Eurosmart model. Whether you're aiming for a modern, minimalist, or classic vibe that's yours, make the kitchen uniquely beautiful, Grohe has you covered. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy kitchen!